This is our version of Shoot the Monkey. Instead of a monkey hanging from a branch in a tree, we have a symbol suspended at the top of a 12-foot folding ladder. Our gun is this cannon you see on the right side of the stage. The cannon fires a tennis ball. There's a mechanical switch that's tripped as the tennis ball leaves the muzzle of the cannon. And that mechanical switch releases the monkey. Just as the ball leaves the barrel of the cannon, our symbol is released and drops towards the ground. How do we know the cannon is pointed directly at the symbol? Well, there's a laser pointer in the barrel of the cannon, and it follows a straight line path, and you can see it hitting the symbol right there. We know our cannon is pointed directly at the symbol. We know the symbol is released as soon as the ball exits the muzzle of the cannon. So stop the video and make a quick prediction. Where is the ball going to end up when it gets to the plane of the ladder? Is it going to pass over the symbol? Under the symbol? Will they collide? It's time to find out. Quick countdown. 3, 2, 1, fire. Once more in slow motion. And now, let's see it from the point of view of the cannon.